I'm not gonna lie, I really want to grow them out. I might just bring back the STRASHME brow because I
Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you can.
Hi Bursties! It's your girl STRASHME. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am actually partnering with NYX Cosmetics, so I did want to put that out there. You're going to be seeing some brand new products in this video that yours truly is actually really excited to try for a couple of different reasons. Before I get into all of that, hello, welcome, how are you? Hope you guys had a good week and you're ready to just get fun and get natural with me. We're going to do a super natural look today. I'm going to show you guys how I accomplished my little to no makeup look using NYX Cosmetics products, including their brand new 2021 spring collection, which has marshmallow extract in it. Just want to throw that out there in case you're interested to know what that is like. I will definitely be displaying it in today's video. So I'm super happy to have you guys here, and thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys are subscribed and liking this video before we get started. If you guys want to see me create some very natural, very subtle looks, keep watching. Okay, so first things first, I have little to no makeup on. I did fill in my brows just a tiny bit. We are going to be featuring some brand new brow products. However, I nicked my eyebrow trying to maintain these like super thin TikTok brows, you guys, and like, I'm not gonna lie, I really want to grow them out. I might just bring back the STRASHME brow because I just, you know, I did go ahead and moisturize my face. You guys do give me a ton of compliments on my skin. I'm so grateful and thank you. But a lot of the times what you guys are seeing is just me moisturizing and hydrating it before I go in with like kind of foundation look. Obviously not to say that's gonna work for everybody, but you want to definitely take a couple extra steps in prepping your skin beforehand with things like hydrators and moisturizers. So I did do both of those things today. So if you're seeing any like luminosity, that's not just me. I didn't just wake up like that. I did add some moisturizer. I do a hydrator and a moisturizer before the primer because I just feel like it allows the primer to be a bit more flexible on the skin. And the primer that I'm introducing to you today is brand new, and it is a part of, again, the Spring 21 collection. This is what has the marshmallow extract in it, which from what I'm understanding is supposed to give a very smoothing and soft feel. So I will be the judge of that. We are going to zoom all the way in and see how smooth one half of my face gets using the Marshmallow Primer from NYX Cosmetics. Now this has marshmallow extract in it. It also has a marshmallow sponge. So I don't know what marshmallow extract is. I would assume it's like sugar, but apparently there is a wild field of marshmallows in Marshmallow Land where NYX Cosmetics has personally extracted marshmallows from. And I'm being funny and I might sound sarcastic. I'm actually just like amazed. We're gonna try this out. I'm very curious to know why they decided that marshmallow was gonna be the theme. I am also very excited to just put a bow on 2020 and move the hell on with our lives with bigger and better and newer things like new products. I want to just apply this on one side of my face, to be honest. I love these kind of reviews to be very objective and like real. Now this is vegan and cruelty free, as you guys know. So it is a $17 primer, which I think is nice for something vegan and cruelty free. And the sponge is $9. So I'm going to, ooh, that's a bit, okay. Oh my God, it smells like marshmallows. This is nice. It's definitely cooling. It feels very cooling. It feels smooth. This sponge also feels really nice. I did put some water on it, but it's very bouncy. Like a marshmallow. I'm gonna give it like a second and see if there is, ooh, I can already see the difference. What the heck? It's definitely like created a bit of a veil over my skin. Can you guys see that? Oh, that's interesting. That is nice. It definitely gives like a glass effect. Very glassy, very smoothing. Oh, I love that. Okay, let's apply it to the other side. Dang. Now, I know you guys give me a lot of compliments on my skin, but I do love a good foundation moment. So I am gonna use the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation from NYX really quickly and just create a very soft look. I'm gonna use about half of the amount of foundation that I normally use and do a bit of concealer. I actually love this blender. It's very, like, it's the bounce for me. It really is. I'm just adding a little bit of powder just to make sure that the little bit of concealer that we did apply still stays in place. I feel like our skin looks pretty good and smooth, so I'm ready to move on. The next product that I want to introduce to you is a brow product. It's called the Brow Glue. Let's see it. Again, I do have a tiny bit of makeup in my brows, but hopefully this fluffs it just enough. This is what it looks like. Definitely looks sticky. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this. It has a tiny little brush. It does say that this is an all-day wear. So it's transparent, it's non-sticky, and it's supposed to hold all day. So let's go. Okay. Let's do the other side. I like this. Oh, snap. That looks great. I am here for this. Okay. So I'm gonna push this down just a little bit to get that really flat kind of glue stick effect. All right, you guys, while this is settling, I'm gonna introduce to you guys one other product. This is the Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen by NYX. This has a micro brush tip, so it's going to allow for the applicator to create hair-like strokes. So you're gonna get a pretty realistic look in theory. Now, again, I have been chopping my eyebrows up completely, so I'm gonna be depending on, let's say, espresso and black shades to fill those back in and help, because honestly, trying to maintain these baby little brows is very tough, especially when you're on the go. It's like, you're just like, low-key kind of want to shave them off. Oh, comment down below if you guys think I would like be able to pull off no brows. This is what they look like, and then that is how thin the applicator is. Living, loving. We're gonna go with espresso first, and I'm gonna attempt to even this side out. This is cute. This is really easy to use. And I feel like it really just didn't take much. Okay, let me try this other side because that is really the test. And then I'm noticing that it's so thin that it's really easy to kind of work in between the hairs that are already set and filling in any gaps, which I really, really like. I feel like sometimes the pens almost compete with the hairs and then they don't get to the actual skin, and then it looks chunky and just not good. So this is impressing me so far. I'm impressed. Wow, okay. I really didn't think that I would be this impressed. I mean, you see a lot of brow pencils and I'm not even casting, like, I'm like loving it. You guys saw how easy that was, right? All right, so now that we have our brows snatched and our skin snatched, I am gonna clean the eyebrows up a little bit with some concealer. Okay, I definitely am loving these brows. I'm gonna be right back with a tiny bit of mascara. I love to do just a little bit on the outer corners when I am doing a little to no makeup look, so BRB. I'm gonna add just a little bit of sculpting, nothing too crazy, and I'm actually gonna be using a shade, a couple shades above my normal like bronzer contour color, just for a little bit of dimension. I don't wanna add too much to this very natural look. My skin just looks super smooth, so the last thing I wanna do is take away from that. Just a tiny bit of highlighter, just a little bit, just a little bit. I'm gonna avoid a nose contour entirely. I think that it just keeps the look looking really soft. I'm gonna do a little bit of highlight on the high planes of the eye area just to make it pop a tiny bit. So I'm just stroking it across the lid, kind of across the brow bone, and using the corner to highlight the tear duct. I'm going to add just a tiny bit to the tip of my nose. And Cupid's bow. This look is actually super cute, so I'm gonna add some freckles using the brow pen just right to the top of the nose. I'm gonna go in actually with the lighter one. This one is brunette, and I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like as freckles. gonna diffuse those just a little bit. Make sure they kind of blend into the skin. I do like that though, that's really pretty. Okay, cool. I'm gonna get real artsy and apply some clear gloss with a brush. I want to talk about the next product that they're coming out with. So it is their first ever vegan high shine lip product. I'm gonna get super artsy and apply some gloss with an art brush. But I want to talk about the next product that NYX is actually coming out with in spring. So it is their first ever vegan high shine lip gloss, and it doesn't transfer. It apparently leaves absolutely no trace of residue. This just feels so sophisticated just doing this like this. My favorite part about what I've heard about this lip product is it comes in like 24 shades of non-transferable high shine product. Like, yes. And then you know how like when lip products don't transfer, usually they're pretty drying or they have some kind of like crystallizing process. I guess these are made with jojoba seed oil, and that to me means they're gonna be moisturizing. And honestly, how good do our lips look when they're moisturized? Look at that. I think I might be done. I don't know. This is a little too easy for my liking. The products made it super easy, and usually like when I do these types of reviews with products I'm not familiar with, something throws me off. I feel a little suspicious right now. I might actually just like love this. Okay, you guys, so this is my no makeup look using all new spring 2021 collection products from NYX Cosmetics. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. As always, everything will be linked in case you're curious. You guys can definitely hit those links and shoot over to NYX, grab yourself something that you like. Let me know if you guys have any questions about other products that I use. Thank you guys so much for joining me for today's video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you like this video. Comment down below what you guys thought of the products, and also if I can get away with no brows, like I'm gonna do it. Like, I mean, luckily NYX products came in and they saved the day, but honestly, have you ever nicked your brow? It's very frustrating. But other than that, you guys, I'm happy that all of these products worked out so seamlessly. I'm excited to be partnered with NYX. They are always, you know, coming out with innovative things. Let me know what your guys' favorite products from NYX are as well, and perhaps I'll do a review on those. That's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys have a really good day, and I'll see you guys next time.
Don't you know that you're beautiful?